In contemporary society, wood furniture and decor pieces have emerged as powerful symbols of class, sophistication, and taste. The enduring appeal of wood as a material transcends mere functionality. It signifies a certain lifestyle and an appreciation for craftsmanship that resonates with those who value quality over quantity. As society evolves and trends come and go, the presence of wood furniture remains a steadfast indicator of refinement, making it a significant aspect of modern living. The allure of wood furniture lies in its inherent qualities. Wood is a natural, organic material that possesses warmth and character, often reflecting the beauty of nature. Unlike synthetic materials, which can feel cold and impersonal, wood offers a tactile experience that connects individuals to the environment. This connection is particularly important in a fast-paced, technology-driven world where many seek solace in the calming presence of natural elements. The grain patterns, colors, and textures of wood add depth and interest to any space, contributing to a sense of comfort and inviting atmosphere that can elevate the perception of a home. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture ideas and wooden decor pieces ideas for modern societies. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the craftsmanship involved in creating wood furniture speaks volumes about the value placed on artisanal skills. In an age dominated by mass production and disposable goods, handcrafted wood pieces stand out as a testament to dedication, skill, and attention to detail. A beautifully crafted piece of furniture tells a story of its creation, embodying the time and effort invested by the artisan. This emphasis on craftsmanship resonates with individuals who appreciate the artistry behind each item, further solidifying wood furniture's status as a marker of class. The choice of wood furniture also reflects a broader cultural appreciation for sustainability and responsible living. As environmental awareness grows, many consumers are increasingly drawn to sustainably sourced wood and eco-friendly practices. Investing in quality wood furniture implies a commitment to longevity and sustainability, as these pieces are often designed to last a lifetime or more. This perspective contrasts sharply with the throwaway culture prevalent in modern society, where disposable items often dominate the market. By choosing wood furniture, individuals signal their preference for enduring quality, aligning themselves with a more responsible and ethically conscious lifestyle. Additionally, wood has an innate ability to adapt to various design aesthetics, making it a versatile choice for both traditional and contemporary settings. This adaptability allows wood furniture to transcend trends, ensuring its relevance regardless of changing fashion. In elegant, classic interiors, rich mahogany or oak pieces convey timeless sophistication, while minimalist designs featuring lighter woods like maple or birch align with modern sensibilities. This versatility ensures that wood furniture remains a staple for those looking to curate a sophisticated living space, reinforcing its status as an emblem of class. Furthermore, wood furniture can act as a focal point in interior design, providing a sense of balance and harmony within a space. The presence of well-crafted wood pieces can elevate the overall aesthetic of a room, creating an ambience that exudes refinement. Whether it's a stunning dining table that becomes the centerpiece of family gatherings or a striking wooden bookshelf that showcases a curated collection of books and art, these pieces contribute to a cohesive design narrative that reflects the homeowner's taste and values. The emotional connection that people form with wood furniture also contributes to its status as a symbol of class. Unlike mass-produced items, which can feel generic and lack personality, each piece of wood furniture carries its unique history and character. Individuals often develop sentimental attachments to these items, associating them with memories, family gatherings, and personal milestones. This emotional resonance elevates wood furniture beyond mere utility. It becomes a cherished part of one's life, reinforcing its significance as a marker of class and personal identity. In many cultures, wood furniture is often passed down through generations, becoming heirlooms that tell stories of family history and heritage. This tradition of inheritance adds a layer of prestige to wood pieces, as they embody the values of craftsmanship and durability that are often lost in contemporary consumerism. The act of passing down furniture signifies continuity and connection, allowing families to maintain a sense of identity and legacy. As such, owning and cherishing wood furniture becomes a way to honor one's roots, further solidifying its position as a testament to class. The rise of open-concept living spaces in modern architecture has also contributed to the prominence of wood furniture and decor. As homes become more integrated and fluid, the need for cohesive design elements grows. Wood furniture serves as a unifying force that can seamlessly transition between different areas of a home, creating a sense of continuity and flow. This ability to harmonize various spaces enhances the overall aesthetic appeal, making wood furniture a preferred choice for those seeking to create a sophisticated and well-designed environment. Moreover, the increasing popularity of eco-conscious design trends has further elevated the status of wood furniture. As consumers become more aware of the environmental impact of their choices, the demand for sustainable materials has surged. Wood furniture, particularly when sourced from managed forests, aligns with this growing eco-friendly mindset. By investing in quality wood pieces, individuals not only support sustainable practices, but also showcase their commitment to responsible living. This alignment with environmental values enhances the perception of wood furniture as a symbol of class, reflecting a lifestyle that prioritizes both aesthetics and ethics. The social implications of wood furniture extend beyond individual preferences. They also play a role in shaping communal values. In many communities, the appreciation for handcrafted wood pieces fosters a sense of pride in local craftsmanship. Supporting local artisans and businesses strengthens community ties and promotes economic sustainability, reinforcing the idea that quality craftsmanship is a valued aspect of society. By choosing wood furniture, individuals contribute to a culture that celebrates creativity and skill, further emphasizing its status as a marker of class. As trends in interior design evolve, the timeless appeal of wood furniture remains unwavering. While contemporary styles may shift, the fundamental qualities of wood, its warmth, durability, and beauty, ensure its relevance in any era. This timelessness is a key reason why wood furniture continues to be associated with class and sophistication. Individuals who choose wood pieces are not simply selecting functional items. They are investing in a legacy that transcends generations. Furthermore, the influence of social media and design platforms has amplified the visibility of wood furniture as a status symbol. With the rise of platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, homeowners and designers showcase their curated spaces, often highlighting beautifully crafted wood pieces. This exposure promotes a culture of aspiration, where individuals seek to emulate the refined aesthetics displayed in these digital spaces. As wood furniture becomes increasingly featured in design trends, its association with class and sophistication solidifies, influencing consumer preferences and perceptions. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture ideas and wooden decor pieces ideas for modern societies. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.